Let's learn about English alphabet. A. A for apple.
A. A for apple.
B. B for bird.
B. B for bird.
C. C for cat.
C. C for cat.
D. D for dolphin.
D. D for dolphin.
E. E for earth.
E. E for earth.
F. F for frog.
F. F for frog.
G. G for giraffe.
G. G for giraffe.
H. H for heart.
H. H for heart.
I. I for ice cream.
I. I for ice cream.
J. J for juice.
J. J for juice.
K. K for key.
K. K for key.
L. L for leaf.
L. L for leaf.
M. M for mouse.
M. M for mouse.
N. N for note.
N. N for note.
O. O for owl.
O. O for owl.
P. P for pig.
P. P for pig.
Q. Q for queen.
Q. Q for queen.
R. R for ring.
R. R for ring.
S. S for sun.
S. S for sun.
T. T for tree.
T. T for tree.
U. U for umbrella.
U. U for umbrella.
V. V for violin.
V. V for violin.
W. W for watermelon.
W. W for watermelon.
X. X for xylophone.
X. X for xylophone.
Y. Y for yacht.
Y. Y for yacht.
Z. Z for zebra.
Z. Z for zebra. Join us for more fun learning.